Before diving into the ultimate Python programming roadmap, it's important to note that this roadmap is a general guideline and can be customized based on your specific goals and interests. However, here's a comprehensive roadmap that covers the fundamental concepts and key areas of Python programming. Getting started. Install Python. Visit the Python official website python.org and download the latest stable version of Python. Set up a development environment. Choose an integrated development environment IDE, like PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, or Jupyter Notebook. Basics of Python. Variables and data types. Learn about variables. Different data types, for example, numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, and how to manipulate them. Control flow. Understand conditional statements if, else, elif, loops for, while, and logical operators. Functions. Learn how to define and use functions to organize your code and make it reusable. Python data structures. Lists. Explore Python lists and their operations, such as indexing, slicing, adding, removing, and iterating. Tuples. Understand immutable sequences and their applications. Sets. Learn about sets and their operations, including set operations like union, intersection, and difference. Dictionaries. Understand key value pairs and dictionary operations. Object-oriented programming. Classes and objects. Learn about classes, objects, attributes, methods, and constructors. Inheritance. Understand how to create class hierarchies and inherit properties and methods from parent classes. Polymorphism. Explore the concept of polymorphism and how it allows objects of different classes to be used interchangeably. File handling. Reading and writing files. Learn how to read data from files and write data to files using Python's file handling capabilities. Working with CSV and SVN files. Understand how to handle CSV and SVN files, which are commonly used for data storage and exchange. Error handling and exceptions. Learn about exceptions and how to handle errors gracefully using try-except blocks. Use the built-in exception hierarchy and create custom exceptions when needed. Modules and packages. Understand the concept of modules and how to import and use them in your code. Explore the Python package index PyPy and learn how to install and use third-party packages using pip. Functional programming. Learn about functional programming concepts such as lambda functions, map, filter, and reduce. Understand the benefits and applications of functional programming paradigms. Working with databases. Explore database concepts and learn how to connect, query, and manipulate databases using Python libraries like Sklite or Sklalchemy. Web development with Python. Learn about web frameworks like Flask or Django and build web applications using Python. Understand concepts like HTTP routing, templates, and database integration in web development. Data science and machine learning. Explore popular Python libraries for data analysis, such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib. Learn about machine learning libraries like scikit-learn and TensorFlow for building predictive models. Testing and debugging. Understand the importance of testing and learn how to write test cases using frameworks like PyTest. Explore debugging techniques and tools to identify and fix issues in your code. Documentation and collaboration. Learn how to write clear and concise documentation for your Python projects. Understand version control systems like Git and platforms like GitHub for collaboration with other developers. Further learning and specializations. Explore advanced topics in Python such as concurrency, network programming, or web scraping. Consider specializing in areas like data engineering, DevOps, or cybersecurity using Python. Remember, learning Python is an iterative process. Practice regularly by working on small projects, participating in coding challenges, and seeking out real-world applications to reinforce your knowledge. Good luck on your Python programming journey.